Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize watermark on your photos in the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So in the first step we have to open the settings, then look for the about camera by the search bar, then look for the watermark. Open the section, and as you can see there we have a few options to edit. We can edit the model name, set up date and time, change the font. As you can see there we have the preview, and the position of your watermark. Now if you want to add your own text, tap on the edit and type by the keyboard. Now click on the done and click save. Then we can go back to the camera, take your photo and customize the watermark show up in at the bottom of the picture. And this how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.